Kochi Refinery is currently a 9.5 million ton crude refining facility producing essentially Bharat Stage 3 and Bharat Stage 4 product. The major investment that we are doing is for the expansion and modernization of the refinery to a capacity of 15.5 million. In addition to the capacity building, it is actually a addition of the complexity also. From the current complexity of 5, post expansion the refinery would be with a complexity of 10. The total investment for the project is 16,500 crores for the facilities within the refinery and almost 2,000 crores for the other facilities outside the refinery. Once the project is completed, the refinery would be capable of producing Bharat Stage 4 and Bharat Stage 5 quality fuels. The current indications are that the project is going to be completed by May 2016. Till March 31st, we have completed almost 77% of the project, and the remaining 23% would be completed in the next 1 year. At present, around 15,000 people are working inside the plant during the construction phase, and there are several new technologies being absorbed. The first one is a petro FCCU. This is a high conversion, high-tech fluid catalytic cracking unit. The basic use of this technology is for the production of propylene, a feedstock for the petrochemical complex. The same is being used in the petrochemical complex, which also is being set up at a cost of around 4,800 crores, very close to the refinery. In addition to that, a new technology is the delayed coker unit, which converts the heavy part of the crude into value-added products like diesel and petrol. It also makes petcoke, a solid product which is also going to be handled in the refinery for the first time. Elaborate arrangements are made to ensure the smooth movement of petcoke and also of all the other liquid products that are produced in the expansion phase. On the environmental angle, refinery is spending hundreds of crores of rupees for ensuring that the environmental impact because of this project is minimized. One such initiative is a reverse osmosis plan to ensure that there is no additional effluent discharge because of this project, which means that the effluent discharge from the refinery would be of the same quantity as the current operation in spite of the expanded capacity. Second is going to be on the gaseous effluents. The refinery is going to use all plant fuels with a sulfur of less than 0.5, and also all the power generation and hydrogen production would be using only natural gas. So there would not be any additional environmental impact because of this project. Third is actually on the ability of this project to create a platform in the state of Kerala for the downstream petrochemical industry. Kerala government has already initiated an action for using the petrochemical feedstocks derived from this unit as well as from BPCL's own petrochemical facilities to have a lot of small scale units around the refinery. The government of Kerala has initiated the activities for the procurement of land for this purpose. This refinery has got the highest safety standards. Until today, we have completed almost 9.5 years without any lost time accident, which means around 39 million accident free man hours has been achieved by the refinery. Post expansion also, all the safety requirements, both technology wise as well as facilities wise, are being incorporated to ensure maximum safety. The third angle that has been considered technologically at the time of design is to ensure 100% reliability of the operation. The entire power requirement for these facilities are being built internally, and there is absolutely no requirement from the state grid, so that the power reliability is ensured. Fourth aspect is on the magnitude of this project. If you see, the cabling requirement itself is of huge numbers. Almost 7,000 kilometers of cable has to be laid for the completion of this project. Similarly, almost 25,000 piles has to be used for this at the civil construction activities, and thousands of kilometers of pipeline. Once this project is completed, the entire state of Kerala and a large part of southern India would be self-sufficient on the petroleum products. As far as the state of Kerala is concerned, one of the current constraints is actually on the availability of LPG. With the commissioning of this facility, the state of Kerala would become surplus on LPG. So, we are actually now planning a pipeline from Kochi to Coimbatore and Salem in a joint venture with Indian Oil Corporation for transporting the excess LPG from the state to neighboring states. This also would help to ensure that the number of trucks or the LPG trucks plying on the road would come down considerably once this pipeline is laid. This also is a part of this project. Another reason why this integrated refinery expansion project has come to Kochi is the strong support given by the state government. The state government has extended tax incentives to ensure that the project is economically viable. We do have around 1920 people now, a very young organization with an average age of less than 40. The qualification minimum required for entry to this refinery is minimum diploma holders. So, we have got a very young, highly skilled and talented workforce, and the success for in operation as well as in safety and reliability and also in project execution for the refinery is the excellent teamwork that we are exhibiting because of this young, talented and skilled workforce.